overhanging trees, Spanish moss. Wow. Check out that puppy. Look at that. Hey, I'm on the Little Manatee River in Ruskin, Florida today. Just about in the late evening here. Sun's about ready to set. We're gonna get some magnet fishing in here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and enjoy. I think we're gonna start off by just dropping around the dock here. How I get all these knots in my ropes. That's what I do. He's got nothing. Some hooks. Oh, look at this. We got ourselves a pair of snips here. Nice pair. Pretty good functioning. Look at that. Giving an E for effort. E for Elizabeth.
There's something in there. I can't tell if it's something metal or not.
Yeah, there was like a piece of aluminum, like a... Right here, where you threw it?
Yeah, it's like if I can see it.
Are you getting a hold of it?
I'm trying.
Great, there. They pull towards me. I went over top of it. It's not, it's a rock or something.
Get that wire on the pole over there?
I got something right here, but it's aluminum.
Let me in there.
See it?
Yeah, I do. That big pole?
This is the big thing right here. It's like stainless steel because I'm getting a little bit of it. See it?
Yeah, I see it. You need help?
See, it's wide. It's not just a pole, it's wide. Oh, you know what I gotta do? I gotta drag it up this way.
What?
See if I can drag it up this way. Where's the end of it? Sliding up the side of it.
Yeah, it's wide. Okay.
Got something down there. Look, you guys see it down there. Looks like a big piece of aluminum plate or something.
I got it.
Can you pull it this way?
Oh.
Oh, you got it? Lift up. Can you? Hold on. Let me help you.
Oh, I moved this.
Hold, don't move. Don't move. Yeah. Siding. Don't stick your hand down there. Don't. Go.
I was trying to grab it.
Yeah, but there's gators in there.
I was going to grab it when it came out.
I'd rather leave it there than have you lose a hand or more. Don't put your hand in there. Stay away. Stay back, okay? One jumps out of the water like they do in the movies. Got it again? Oh, I got it on the wrong side. Okay, let me get over there. I keep on grabbing on the wrong side. No, don't grab. Don't. Listen to you. Okay, just lean up against there. Stand up. Grab, give it to me. Give it to me. Look what we found.
Yeah. Only mouth part in there is the nails.
That vinyl?
I don't know.
No, it's aluminum. That's aluminum.
Yeah.
Set it here so somebody can take it away. How you doing? We're just magnet fishing. What are you doing?
I'm trying to figure out how we even caught on it.
Yeah, we just caught. You got it on that. On the ledge because it was like laying sideways like this, and somehow you got. I think you got caught on the ledge right here and just pulled it up, and then I got it pulled it up. So just leave it there, and somebody will come and get it. And
that's probably part of this roof.
yeah. Oh yeah. Yep, I bet you it is. Oh, look what you got.
I don't know. Oh, it's a cat.
Yeah. What kind of cap?
I don't know.
Oh, like a. I don't know. Like a. It's like a light fuse thing. You know the.
Oh yeah, there's a wire.
Yeah, yeah. All right, look at you go, girl. Yeah, this one has one. Yeah, look at that. Yeah.
Take care.
You too. Hey, you should take a picture of it.
I did.
Oh, cool. Okay, we're up here on a boat landing here, kayak launch. Got a couple recommendations that might be a good place. Not sure what I'm gonna find here. seashell with a thing in there, right up dead. We have some crusties, that's a good sign. See something right over here. Check out this huge pipage right there. Too bad I wasn't closer to home. Yeah. I'll take this with me. I'll just put it by the garbage here. Check out that puppy. Right here. Another beautiful day out in Florida. A little view of everything around here. What do we have here? We have an old bolt that's been in there for a while. Does look like some sort of pipe here. No. What is this? What kind of pipe? Aluminum or something? Off a boat or something? I don't know. We got nada. Let me dump this stuff out. Oh, look at this. This is just like down on the swamps. Overhanging trees. Spanish moss. Wow. Get a lot of bubbles. Oh, I can't bring it up. Got something. We got something. What do we have? Oh, it's part of a lawnmower. I can't get it again. Okay, we're gonna try the other side. got something. Look at this. Look at this big old lure we got right here. Holy cow. Check him out. People coming down here on kayak trips. Magnet fishing. I got a magnet. Yeah. No, my magnet fish and.
Did you find anything else?
No, I found some lures. That's it. Yeah.
Treasure hunting.
Yeah, it is. It is. I'm from upstate New York. I found a sword one time, bunch of knives, a gun one time.
Well, you
Yeah.
never know what the hurricanes do.
Yeah. Or what people are trying to get rid of. A magnet fish.
What are you getting?
I've been finding lures. That's it. I have a YouTube channel, Pruyne Time Magnet Fishing, if you want to look it up. Make sure you subscribe. Nah, one more throw. Okay, we're done. Got here, look at this. We got ourselves a pen. That's first, believe it or not, that's the first pen I ever found. Just got crusties. Two more throws. Last one, unless we get something. Oh, good dingler. No, it's seaweed. Okay, we're calling it a day. Hey, how's it going?
Not a Rolex, let me know, right?
Oh, we got some stuff. Look at this. What do we have? We have, of course, Corona top. We have a sinker. I don't know if you can see that sinker. Look, it's going right through my finger. And a bunch of crusties. got here? Sort of magnet thing here. I don't know what it is. A hook. Oh, we got something on there. What do we got on there? Got ourselves a nail here. A wood screw actually. And part of a hook. Part of a hook. Corroded that one is. Look there. Oh, it's Heineken. That's a Heineken, an old Heineken. I'd be all over the place, so I tried to back that back.
You're good, Jared.
Ooh, got some stuff here. What do, ooh, car keys. Look at this. We were just talking about car keys. Get these on there. We were just talking about car keys. I'm bolting out. Car keys. Somebody was angry that day. Oh, what do we got here? We got more pieces of metal. Got something here. What do I got? Got a chunk of metal. Here, piece of metal in there. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. We got some of the balloons here. There's that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Picking up a bucket here, making my way back to the car. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Take care. See you soon. Adios.